Are you curious about what makes you, as an older man, sexually attractive and how you might be exuding charm without even realizing it? Today, we're jumping into the unmistakable signs of sexual appeal in older men, aspects that go beyond just looks, touching on confidence, experience, and the subtle yet powerful cues you might be sending out. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper insight into these indicators, boosting your self-awareness and enhancing your interactions in the romantic sphere. And keep an eye out for our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a gem that complements everything we've discussed, offering a key insight to elevate your game. 1. Confidence is your secret weapon. Let's dive into confidence, gentlemen. It's your invisible cloak of allure, particularly as an older man. Why does confidence matter so much? Let's unpack this. Confidence is not just about standing tall, it's about the aura you exude. It's the way you walk into a room, the calmness in your voice, and that spark of self-assurance in your eyes. As an older gentleman, your confidence is seasoned, a fine wine that's only gotten better with time. It's about embracing your experiences, your wisdom, and even your gray hairs. Yes, they're badges of honor. But here's the trick. It's not about being cocky. It's about a quiet confidence in who you are and what you bring to the table. It's the kind of confidence that says, "I've been around the block a few times and I know my worth." This doesn't just attract attention. It draws people in, creating a magnetic pull. So, how do you project this confidence? Start with your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, head high. Let your body language speak of self-assurance. When you speak, do so with clarity and purpose, letting your life's rich tapestry add depth to your words. Remember, gentlemen, your confidence is a reflection of your journey. It tells a story of resilience, learning, and maturity. Wear your confidence proudly. 2. Style and grooming, your timeless toolkit. Now, let's get into style and grooming, a crucial duo in your charm arsenal. Why? Because looking good isn't just for the youngsters, it's your game too. Let's check it out. Think of your style as a personal signature. It is way more than just about chasing trends. It's about refining a look that's authentically you. Whether it's a classic suit that fits like a glove or a casual, well-put-together outfit that speaks of ease and experience, your style should whisper a story of elegance and self-respect. And grooming? It's not vanity, it's about valuing yourself. A neat appearance, from a well-trimmed beard or a clean shave to tamed hair, reflects a man who cares about the details. It's like saying, "I respect myself enough to take care of my appearance." And believe me, that message resonates. But here's the key. Adapt and evolve. Your style and grooming routine should evolve with you, accentuating your best features and showcasing your confidence. It's about enhancing, not masking, the distinguished gentleman you are. Take pride in your appearance. Let your style and grooming pay ode to a life well lived, a statement that you're here, seasoned by time, and better than ever. After all, when you look good, you feel good, and that's a feeling that's ageless. 3. Physical fitness, more than just muscle. Gentlemen, let's talk about physical fitness. It's not just about lifting weights or running marathons, it's about vitality, energy, and your zest for life. Why is this so crucial, especially for you? Let's explore. Physical fitness at your age isn't about competing with the younger crowd. It's about being the best version of yourself. It's about showing that you value your health and are willing to invest in it. This commitment is attractive. It speaks volumes about your discipline and self-respect. But here's the fun part. Fitness doesn't have to be a chore. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's hiking, swimming, yoga, or even dancing. The goal is to stay active, keep your body moving, and enjoy the process. When you're fit, you radiate a certain energy and vitality that's compelling, regardless of age. And let's not forget, staying fit also means staying sharp. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. It's about agility, both physically and mentally, showing that you're not just keeping up, but thriving. So, embrace fitness as a celebration of what your body can do. Let it be a source of pride, a reflection of your determination to live life fully and vibrantly. I hope you're finding value in what we've shared today. If you are, why not spread a little positivity our way? Every single like, comment, and subscription plays a crucial role. Thank you for being an essential part of our community. 4. Emotional maturity, your attractive ace. Gentlemen, let's get into emotional maturity, a trait that significantly enhances your appeal as you age. Why is this trait such a game changer? Let's break it down. Emotional maturity is about more than just managing your feelings. It's about understanding, expressing, and constructively acting on them. It's the wisdom to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and perspective. This kind of maturity draws people to you, offering a sense of security and depth that's incredibly attractive. Imagine being the rock in a stormy sea, the calm voice of reason when the going gets tough. That's the allure of emotional maturity. It's about being in tune with your emotions and those of others, creating connections that are deep and meaningful. But here's the kicker. Emotional maturity also means knowing when to be vulnerable, when to share your fears and hopes. It's this balance between strength and vulnerability that creates a dynamic, irresistible presence. So, how do you showcase this maturity? Listen actively, speak thoughtfully, and show compassion. Be the man who's not just experienced life but has learned from it, ready to share those lessons in a way that enlightens and endears. 5. Adaptability and openness to change. Your path to relevance. If you're someone who's open-minded, you probably notice you get a lot of good interactions. But why is the willingness to adapt so appealing? Let's dive in. Being adaptable isn't about losing your core values or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about showing that you're in tune with the times, willing to learn new things, and open to different perspectives. This quality demonstrates that you're not stuck in the past, but are evolving, making you incredibly engaging and relevant to others, including potential romantic interests. Imagine how attractive it is when you show curiosity about the world today, whether it's new technology, current trends, or understanding diverse viewpoints. It shows that you're actively engaging with the present. This adaptability suggests vitality, a zest for life, and that's incredibly appealing. So, embrace change and let your openness shine. It's not about chasing youth, but about showcasing a lively, inquisitive spirit that transcends age. This approach keeps you mentally sharp and makes you a magnet for meaningful connections, demonstrating that you're a man who respects the past, but is excited about the future. 6. Authenticity and integrity, your magnetic traits. Why do these qualities matter so much, especially as you mature? Let's explore. Being authentic means being true to yourself, embracing your identity, experiences, and values. It's about shedding the facade and being genuine in your interactions. This honesty is refreshing and appealing. It shows you're comfortable in your skin and aren't trying to be someone you're not. Imagine the strength it conveys when you're unapologetically you, standing firm in your beliefs and values. Now, integrity. It's about doing the right thing, even when no one's watching. It's the consistency in your actions and words that builds trust and respect. In a world full of fleeting encounters, your integrity is a beacon, drawing people who value depth and sincerity. Combine authenticity with integrity, and you've got a potent mix. It's not just about being attractive, it's about attracting the right kind of attention, the kind that's rooted in respect and genuine interest. People are drawn to those who exude these traits because they signify a man who's reliable, trustworthy, and, frankly, a breath of fresh air. So, embrace your authentic self and uphold your integrity. Let these traits shine through, and watch how they transform not just how others see you, but how you see yourself. After all, there's nothing more attractive than a man who knows who he is and lives by his principles. Now, let's unwrap our bonus tip, the irresistible charm of a good sense of humor. Why is this such a powerful tool in your attractiveness arsenal? Let's dive in. A good laugh does more than lighten the mood. It connects people, breaks down barriers, and showcases your personality. Think about it. Humor is a universal language, one that resonates with everyone, regardless of age. It's about being able to laugh at yourself, share a witty remark, or just enjoy the lighter side of life. This levity is magnetic, drawing people to your vibrant spirit. But here's the key. It's about authentic humor that's in tune with who you are. Not about trying too hard or reciting jokes, but about letting your natural wit and warmth shine through. It's the sparkle in your eye when you tell a story, the gentle self-deprecation that shows you don't take yourself too seriously, or just the way you find joy in the everyday. Remember, a man who can laugh and make others laugh is a man who's seen as confident, approachable, and, most importantly, deeply attractive. Now that you know those signs, what's next for you? Discover the best compliments to give younger women, or learn the social skills that make women addicted to you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.